Hello everyone, welcome back to Cabbage Financial Solutions. My name is Mashkur Ali. In today's video, we will explain the complete process to help you find tax liabilities on a W-2 form. Tax season can feel overwhelming, especially when you're trying to figure out how much you owe or if you're getting a refund. One of the most important documents you need is your W-2 form, which shows your earnings and the taxes already withheld from your paycheck. But where exactly can you find your total tax liabilities on this form? In this video, we'll explore the process of finding tax liabilities on W-2. To understand this entire process, we have visited this website called Cabbage Loan Guide. This website has several articles related to taxes. One of these articles is titled How to Find Tax Liabilities on W-2 Know Everything. This article provides detailed information about tax liabilities and W-2 forms. In the first subheading, the article explains what a W-2 form is. Then, it describes how to obtain an online copy of the form. If you want to read this information in detail, you will find the article link in the description. After that, the main subheading is how to find tax liabilities on your W-2. Under this subheading, the article explains your Form W-2 provides detailed information about your earnings and the taxes withheld by your employer during the year. However, it does not display your total tax liability, the total amount of tax you owe for the year. To determine your total tax liability, you'll need to complete Form 1040, the U.S. Individual Income Tax Return, understanding your W-2. The W-2 form includes several boxes that detail your income and the taxes withheld. Box 1 reports your total taxable wages, tips, and other compensation. Box 2 shows the total federal income tax withheld by your employer. Box 4 indicates the Social Security tax withheld. Box 6 displays the Medicare tax withheld. Your W-2 does not directly show your final tax liability, but it provides information on how much tax has already been paid. To determine your total tax liability, compare these numbers with your tax return calculations. To find your total tax liability, you'll need to complete Form 1040, which will guide you through reporting all income, applying deductions and credits, and calculating the total tax you owe for the year. For more detailed information on Form 1040 and instructions on how to complete it, you can visit the IRS website. So, this is how you can use your W-2 form to determine your tax liabilities. However, keep in mind that the total tax liability is not directly printed on the W-2 form. You will need to calculate it yourself or take the help of Form 1040. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Cabbage Financial Solutions for more tips related to lending and banking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.